So about a month ago I showed you how to prune black tower elder in the spring, and one of the sticks that I left kind of as an experiment didn't grow any leaves, so I know it's dead. It's not going to have any leaves. See, this bottom part of it is definitely full of leaves and new growth, but this and this top part of the stick are not. So I'm just going to take pruners like this and go down the stem to a spot where the leaves start growing. Looks like they're growing right about there. I'm hoping these are strong enough. And there is. Oh, it's still stuck a little. There we go. And now it's as if it never was there. Just have to deal with the other one. The leaves are growing from right there, so I'm going to cut right above. Those leaves are on their way out. Anyway, so there it is. And then here's the other one doing perfectly fine.